Hello, Aljur. I just want to greet you a happy 19th birthday. Whoa, kuya na kita. Well, I wish you all the best and all the happiness in life. Of course, to give you always a good health, more blessings, more projects, much better. Um, just stay humble as you are and stay sweet, stay cool, and break a leg in every path you have taken. Because always remember that your friends, especially me and your family, will always here to support you because we love you all the way. Um, what else? Mm, nothing more, but you just take good care of yourself and keep safe. God bless.